Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually increase your text speed inside of Minecraft. So, let's get ahead and open our single player world, and let's go and explain how the Minecraft fighting strategies works first. And here we go. And let's go back to the normal resource pack, just so we have the same settings, and yeah. Sorry guys, I drank water. So anyway, let's go back. As you can see, now let's get a sword and let's put some cows. I think I've placed some cows before. Oh, they escaped. Oh, it's okay, no problem. Let's put them again, fences, and just like so. And we get the eggs, and let's put a lot of cows in here. Basically, the Minecraft strategy of checking or clicking really changed in the latest versions. For me, I used to play Minecraft on the 1.5.2, the 1.6, 1.7, and it's completely different because back in those days we could like spam the left click, and also we could like do something like left click, right click, left click, right click. We can defense and attack at the same time. It was really insane, and now they changed it completely. As you can see, if I attack, it will not deal the same damage as it used before, and even it takes more time. It even takes more time to attack now. And basically, how we can increase your text, like to make your attacks better instead of like keep taking, you can just click in Minecraft now. In those, like in this latest version, you have to click once, and for example, let's see the difference here in here better. So let's put a cow here and one here. For example, if we kept attacking this one, two. I need, I think, a better sword, something like that, just to make it looks better. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, but what if I did something like so? Let's break this, and I did something like 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it's completely different. Here I used like 5 attacks, or like one by one, like directly one after another. But here I waited like if you look in here, like if you attack someone, it will not show, I think, because I'm on game mode. So let's wait and change it to normal one, slash game mode, survival, and we go and fight this cow. And you can see it really does a particle under my sword, and this particle it charged, so we wait until it charged fully. So after it charged, you will be able to do another attack that will be as strong as the first attack. But if you kept like attacking one by one after one after one after another, it will not deal the same damage. The first one will be strong, but the other ones will not be strong as you know. So that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.